fighting the corporate fat cats for your consumer rights.
In this section, we'll discuss how to break in your new car during the first 1,000 miles. Break in a new car like you would a new pair of shoes. Don't drive over 65 miles an hour. Vary your speed every few minutes. Don't use the cruise control. Don't use the low gears in the automatic transmission. No L1 or L2. Don't accelerate hard. By following these rules, your new car will last you many miles to come. Prevent damaging your car or voiding out the warranty. The last thing you want to create is your own lemon. Take care of your car and it'll take care of you. Letter Champ, the ultimate consumer advocate, fighting the corporate fat cats.